Hello students, welcome to Future Doctor NEET Academy. Today I am going to solve 7 sums in states of matter. So let us see the first sum in the chapter. Simple one, 600 cc of gas at a pressure of 750 millimeter is compressed to 500 cc. Taking the temperature remains constant, the increasing pressure. Okay, so how much increasing pressure they are asking? That is, here volume is there, pressure is there. So volume and pressure means that relationship nothing but, Boyle's law. Here simply you can write, what's Boyle's law means, P1, okay, P1, V1 is equal to P2, that's the relationship, we know that. Okay, so you just substitute as it is, the first one, 600 cc of gas at pressure of 750 millimeter, no? So here the volume is there, 600, the pressure is, 750, understood, which is equal to P2. So they're asking only pressure, so P2 you keep as it is, understood. So compressed to what? 500 cc, into 500, understood. So here now, that this will be cancelled, no? This also will be cancelled, okay, therefore, understood, therefore, P2 is equal to 750 into 6 by 5. So it will be again you're able to cancel. So one time 15 times, no, so 150, 150 into 6, so 900, understood. So pressure, pressure here 900 millimeter of mercury. Okay, but the question is what? The increase in pressure. So now when the pressure is 750 millimeter of mercury, now this is the volume. No, when the volume becomes 500 cc, now what's the new pressure? 900 millimeter of mercury, that's the pressure. So how much increases means, from the 750 millimeter of mercury to what? 900. So how much increases, understood? So 150 is increases. So answer is what? Option B is the correct one. So they're not asking pressure, how much increase in pressure they're asking. Okay, so this answer. The second one, a mixture of gases, N2 plus argon gases are in a cylinder. That gram is given, the mass is given, the total pressure is also given. Total pressure is also what? 27 bar is given. They're asking to find only partial pressure of N2. So you know that what's the partial pressure of N2 means, what's the formula, general formula for partial pressure? Partial pressure of N2 is equal to what? Mole fraction of N2 into P total. That is called total pressure. Okay, understood? Okay. Here total pressure is given. Total pressure is what? Total pressure, 27, isn't it? Now we have to find only the mole fraction. So general formula for mole fraction of N2 means what? Number of moles of N2 by number of moles of N2 plus what's the other gases? Argon, no? Number of moles of argon. Understood? Right. So if you want to find out the mole fraction, we need number of moles, no? But here number of moles is not given. Instead of number of moles, they are given what? The mass is given. So first we convert gram into number of moles. So it has another formula. So number of moles of for nitrogen is equal to what? Mass by molar mass. So mass is given, no? So mass by molar mass. There is molar mass of nitrogen is what? 28. This is nothing but what? 1 by 4. This is equal to what? 0.25. Understood? Right. Likewise, number of moles of argon. That as it same thing. Number of moles of argon. 8 gram. No. So 8 by okay. It's molar mass. Say it's molar mass. I think is given. No. Here 40 is given. So 8 by 40, which is equal to what? 1 by 5, which is equal to what? 0.2. Understood? Okay. Now you can substitute here. So when you substitute, number of moles of nitrogen, no, 0.25 by 0.25 plus what? 0.22. Understood? Right. So if you simplify means 0.22, no? Okay. Okay. Now again when 0.2. Understood? Right. Now it will be 0.25 by 0.45. Okay. Okay. So this is approximately is equal to what? 0.55. So method only I am telling. Okay. Simplification all you are studying from lower classes. So 0.55. So you just substitute here. That's all. Simply. And into chance will be nearly 14 something. 40. It is approximately it will be 14 points. Okay. So 14 point something. But here the answer is what? No, the answer will be in 14. It is nearer to 14 is what? Which answer? The 15 bar. Understood? Okay. So it will be 14 point nearly 82 is coming. Okay. So then only I take this answer. This is the correct answer. Understood? This one is nearer to 15. Okay. Are you following? So these are the formulas you should remember. They are not. This is the formula actually. Partial pressure is equal to mole fraction to total pressure. Total pressure is given. Mole fraction is not given. So mole fraction we have to find out. To find out mole fraction means we need number of moles. The number of moles is also not given. So they are given mass. First we convert mass into number of moles, the number of moles into mole fraction. Next one, two gases A and B having same volume diffuse through a porous partition in 20 and 10 seconds respectively. The molecular mass of A is 49 U. U nothing but unified mass. The molecular mass of B they're asking. Okay. No, this is the time is given. No. So this formula I just remember. So suppose here if I take time of B means time of A So these two are directly proportional. Then only, molar mass of B by molar mass of, A. You just substitute. Simple one. B is what? B is, 10. A is what? 20. Or we can take A by B. No problem. Okay. So any of these two are directly proportional. This only just remember. So molecular mass of B. B will be what? Okay. They are asking only molecular mass of B. So you keep as it is. Molecular mass of, okay, A is what? A only is given. So 49. Understood? If you want to get the molecular mass of B means you take, a square on both sides means we get what? Square on both sides we get 10 square by 20 square, which is equal to molar mass of B by, understood, by 49. Understood? Then it will be, this will be 100 by, 400. Okay, right. Which is equal to molar mass of B by 49. Understood? Now it will be cancelled. This also will be cancelled. 1 by, then this now then molar mass of B is equal to what? Just multiply 49 into 0.25. Understood? So it will be, understood? Okay. Now it will be nearly equal to what? The 12.25. So if you multiply means you will be getting the value. No. So 12.25, that's the correct answer. Understood? So this formula only just remember. Okay. The time is given and molar mass are directly proportional. Okay. Right. Next one. By what factor does the average velocity of a gaseous molecules increase when the temperature is double? Okay. So here the velocity, just relationship only, you just remember. So average velocity, velocity and temperature relationship means nothing but, velocity is directly proportional to root of T. This only just remember. Suppose I consider this is 1, this is also 1. Suppose double, no. So suppose volume directly proportional to what? 2 T1. Understood? So, temperature is double, no. Okay. You just compare this and this. So therefore what? So V1 by V2 is equal to directly or is equal to root of T1 by 2 T1. Understood? Now T1 will get cancelled. It will be V1 by V2 which is equal to what? Root of 1 by 2. Understood? Right. So they're asking, increase in temperature is double. So you have to find out the average, average velocity of the second cases. So what? So it will be suppose V2 by V1 which is equal to what? This will be inverse, no. It will be what? Root. Okay, understood. What factors means, it will be what? Approximately root 2 means what? 1.414. So this is the answer. 1.4 means here D option is the correct one. Understood? So that relationship only just remember velocity and temperature, this is the relationship. Okay. Next one, the same sums we studied, we have seen the previous fifth one, 50 ml of hydrogen diffused through a small hole of vessel in 20 minutes. The time taken by 40 ml of oxygen to diffuse. Okay. Here diffusion is given. So here diffusion means here, so formula means, I put, rate of, first one I consider rate of diffusion, rate of diffusion of hydrogen. This is a formula, rate of diffusion of hydrogen by rate of diffusion of oxygen, which is equal to, okay, last time here time is given, but here rate of diffusion is given. So rate of diffusion and molecular mass are inversely proportional. So that I put what? Here molecular mass of oxygen by molecular mass of, hydrogen. That put in reverse. Okay, inversely proportional. Okay, then rate of diffusion of hydrogen. Rate of diffusion of hydrogen means we have one formula here. Then volume by time. Volume by time here. Volume is given. No, so 50 ml. So 50 ml by time. What? Through vessel in 20 minutes. No, by 20 minutes. By the time taken by the 40 ml of oxygen. So this also 40 ml. Understood? By time we don't know the time. So keep as it is. So this one that molecular mass of oxygen is 32. Better not. Here add 2. This will be what? This one out here 5 by 2. You can write like this, 5 by 2. Then this will be what? 4 by 40 or so T. Simple one. 5 by 2 by T by this unknown quantity. So T by 40. So you write like this reverse direction. T by, understood? Okay. This will be what? Root 8. Sir, not root 8. 16. No. This will be what? 16. No. Root 16. Root 16 automatically so 4 is there. Understood? Now therefore 5T is equal to 4 into 40 into 2 by by, understood? Are you following? Now we want to find only T, so T is equal to what? 2 into 40 into 4 by 5. Okay, then if you simplify means you can get answer. It will be one time it will be 8 times. Okay, 8 into 16 into 4 64. Are you following? Okay, so T is equal to what? 64 minutes. Understood? Right. Simple. So the formula, just remember, you can be able to answer them very easily. Okay. Next one. The temperature of gas is raised from 27 degrees Celsius to 927 degrees Celsius. The root mean square speed of the gas is they're asking. Okay. See, you know that root mean square, root mean square velocity, root mean square velocity is equal to what? Root of 3RT by m. So we have three kinds of velocity that is remember. Okay, 3RT by m. Okay. Suppose here, okay. Suppose you just compare like this. Here we can put in kinetic energy or we can put as it is. Suppose temperature what? 27 degrees Celsius. No, 27 degrees Celsius. You convert it into Kelvin. It will be what? 300 Kelvin. Understood? Right. So in this case, I put 3 R into what? 300. Understood? By m. Understood? Suppose in the first case. Some other case, root mean square velocity of in the second case. So root of 3RT by m. Understood? So here also you substitute the temperature. It will be what? Root of 3 R. So you convert the temperature, Celsius into Kelvin. Here at 273, it will be Fair means it will be what? It will be 1200 Kelvin. You substitute here. Okay. So 1200 Kelvin by m. Understood? You just compare the values. Suppose here how many times increase there only they're asking, Okay. Suppose here you substitute the value, what's the formula? Kinetic energy is equal to of mv square, no? Okay, mv square. The velocity, root mean square velocity. You substitute here. This is called root mean square velocity, but it's called v square is there. So it will be what? It will be of m v. V means the square root will be removed. So we get what? Only 3 r into 300 by m. Understood? So it will be okay. Likewise here, suppose here I substitute velocity here. Suppose if you substitute in the second case velocity means here it will come out of m v square, no? Here 3r into 1200. So when compared to this, it will be it will be gets off is given, remains same, gets 927 by 27 times is given, gets off is given. Okay, so it will be if you substitute, suppose here kinetic energy, this is one kinetic energy. I consider this is called kinetic energy 1. Understood? So because I substitute this value. Suppose if you substitute kinetic energy 2, kinetic energy 2 means of same formula. Okay, so here 1 by 2. Okay, 1 by 2. M as usual. Instead of b, you substitute this value. This is called v square, no, but here b, but the square root will be removed, so it will be what? 3 r into 1200 by m. Understood? Okay, you just compare the values. This is called k1, then k2. It will be quite. You just compare the two values. Kinetic energy 1 and kinetic energy 2 means it will be just I write it here. Suppose here if I put ke1 by ke2. Okay. Suppose here this is a big number, no, so I put it to first one, ke2 by ke1. Understood? Okay, so here substitute means you just need not write all this, off will be cancelled, m will be cancelled, 3 also will be cancelled. Understood? Need not substitute all this, this will be cancelled, so will be cancelled, m will be cancelled, 3 also, m also. Okay, so who is there? Only 1200, no? Okay, here k2 is what? 1200 by 300. Understood? It will be so nearly ke2. Okay, ke2 is equal to, now answer will be it will be 4, no? So 4 times ke1. Understood? So option in this case I consider is if remains same, gets off, gets double, no. So I consider this is 4 times. So double, no. I consider it's called the 4 times. Okay, this is D is the correct one. Understood? So root mean square, just remember, then kinetic energy, the root mean square value you substitute in kinetic energy, then we have to compare this all. Okay, right. Next one. What's the density of nitrogen gas at 227 degrees Celsius and 5 atmosphere pressure? Then R is given, direct sum, density, that what's the formula for density? Pm by R. This is a formula, the direct formula. You just remember this formula. Pressure, molar mass, gas constant, temperature, So molar mass means, pressure is, this is given, 5. Molar mass is, nitrogen gas, nitrogen gas means, 28 by R means, 0.082. You just substitute. This is a simple formula. Temperature means, it's given, 227, no. Okay, just convert into Kelvin. So if it's, it will be 227, okay, 273, okay. So approximately 0, 500, okay. So if you substitute all this, you can get answer. Okay, answer will be approximately 3.41 is coming. So this is the answer. Understood? So just remember the formula. If you remember the formula, you'll be able to answer them. Very simple one, direct sum. Okay. So these are the 7 sums I worked out. Okay. I hope you understood everything. So just remember the formula. If you know the formula, so you can able to solve them. Thank you, students.